In this video I will discuss no equipment needed, killer bodyweight leg workout. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a killer bodyweight leg workout that requires no equipment. Remember, consistency is key to success. So let's get started. First up, we have the classic squats. They target your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Aim for 10 to 15 reps to start. Next, let's try some lunge variations. Start with forward and backward lunges for 5 to 10 reps each. Then move on to side lunges for another 5 to 10 reps per side. Trust me, your legs will feel the burn. Now it's time to elevate your heart rate with some jumping jacks or high knees. Shoot for 30 to 60 seconds of each exercise if you're up for the challenge. Lastly, let's wind down with some stretching to cool down and prevent any unnecessary muscle soreness. Remember to stay hydrated and rest if needed between sets. Give this workout a try today and let us know how it went in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want more guidance on fitness journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and stay fit.